Hello, in this video we're gonna unbox Insta360 Ace Pro 2 together. So here is the box and let's open it to see everything what's inside. And as you can see at the top there is the camera, obviously. So here it is. Then underneath there is a replacement battery because it comes with two batteries kit. So you can replace them by easily pressing on this button, then sliding this opening down and opening it, and there is a battery. You can replace it with this one when it dies. So that's how you manage these batteries. Now let's go further. Here you can see that we have some manuals, quick start guides, stickers, and everything else that you may need. Then there is the cable to charge the batteries, I think, yes. And also there is a this thing to secure it from water. So okay. Now here it's something for the camera as well, and here is something else as well. So these are all of the items within the box, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.